Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back with another review video. This is an amazing token we are going to discuss. That's amazing, and hopefully it will be 100x a gem. You can check the token name is Piggy Bonky. It's on pre-sale. You can check here the revolutionary crypto journey roads to $1. Join our pre-sale today and be part of the exciting journey to $1 per token. Piggy Bonky combines community power with real utility, offering secure stacking reward and a clear path to massive value growth. Here is about tokenomics, how to buy, roadmap, pre-sale, docs, audit as well. Here is you can connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Binance Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, and other wallet as well. We will check their pre-sale first of all and check how is it looking. Here it is their pre-sale, Piggy Bonky pre-sale. Join our pre-sale today and be a part of exciting journey to $1 per token. Piggy Bonky combines community power with real utility, offering secure staking reward and a clear path to massive value growth. Here is Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum as well. Node staking is only available on Binance Smart Chain, BSC BEP20. Current stage is one. They contain 7 stages as well. Current price is $0.401. Token sold are given pre-sale rise. Stage ends in 4 day 7 hour 47 minute as well. Buy now, choose payment method. Here's BNB, USDT, USDC. Here is you can enter your amount in BNB and USDT as well. Here we will select USDT. You can minimum buy of $50. Here is referral address. It's optional. You will receive approximately Piggy here and then press buy now. Stacking here stacking earn up to 150% APY by stacking your token in our secure staking platform. Your token 0 PG stacking amount rewards as well, amount to stacking claim reward and unstacked token. Here referral program is going on. You can earn up to 5% of the purchase amount when someone buys using your referral code. Here is my referral code and I will put it in my description so you can buy it from my referral. Here is navigation, home, about, tokenomics, roadmap, pre-sale, audit, and GitHub, Medium, support @PG Bonky as well. Here is their social media, Telegram, Twitter, Discord, Reddit, and Instagram as well. We will move back to home and check what they contain. Move below and check here. Pre-sale ends in 4 days and referral program we have discussed. Here is your reward. Send, withdraw, invite friends to their social community. Our editors and partners are here: Coinpedia, Crypto News, BTC, about Piggy Bonky, revolution, the next generation of DeFi. Piggy Bonky is more than just a token. It's a complete ecosystem designed for sustainable growth and community empowerment, built on cutting edge blockchain technology. We combine the best aspects of DeFi with real world utility, secure audit, community driven growth potential as well. Here is their community 2K plus community member. Pre-sale target is $8 million and 150% APY stacking and USDT airdrop. Participate in USDT airdrop program and earn reward for being an active community member. Burn regular token burning mechanism to reduce supply and increase value for holder. Stacking earn up to 150% APY by stacking your tokens in our secure stacking platform. Our roadmap strategic milestone on our journey to revolutionary DeFi. Phase 1 is given launch and foundation. Here are 4 steps: smart contract development and audit, website launch and social media setup, community building and marketing campaign. Pre-sale launch on BSC and Ethereum in progress. You can see the second stage, phase 2, growth and development, tax listing, staking platform launch, strategic partnership, CEX listing preparation. And the three phase is expansion and innovation. Major CEX listing, cross chain bridge development, NFT collection launch, mobile app development as well. In the fourth stage they have evolution and beyond. DeFi 2.0 integration, DAO governance, implementation, metaverse partnership, global marketing as well. Here it is how to buy. For these simple steps you can see how to buy it. Connect your wallet of MetaMask or other wallet, Web3 wallet to get started. Make sure you have enough BNB and Ethereum for the purchase and gas fees. Choose payment method here. Select your preferred payment method, BNB, Ethereum, USDT, USDC as well. Enter amount here. Minimum purchase is $50. Confirm purchase and buy now here. Frequently asked question, you can read it carefully, and Biggie Ponky tokenomics are given. Transparent token distribution designed for long-term sustainability and growth. Pre-sale 20%, stacking reward 15%, development 15%, liquidity pool 20%, marketing 20%, and 10% team. Total supply is given, token address is given. The next generation of community-driven cryptocurrency revolution, DeFi with innovation solution and sustainable growth. Quick links, resources, stay updated with their email as well. Here is about, you can check about Piggy Bonky, the next generation of DeFi. We have also discussed it. Check the tokenomics, how to buy we have discussed, and roadmap is discussed, pre-sale is discussed, and check their docs as well. You can check their docs as well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Wait for the next. We will bring a good and amazing type of video for you next time.